No, that is different.
Oh, okay, it's on.
Hey everybody, we're at Whistler Skatepark. I'm with Maria Thomsen and Marie Francois and Hagen Kearney, and we are sessioning the skate park with our skis and snowboards. Happening.
We're shaping the lip, and Hagen's gonna do a perfect. It's gonna work, Hagen. Right there. Check it.
Look it.
Lick it. Click it. Go for a hot mom.
Sweatshirt you're wearing right now.
Okay, this is stay. Somebody's thinking about you. Suicide prevention. Think about your friends. Tell them you love them. Boop.
I love you, Marie.
I love you too. We love you, Hagen.
I had that on. Tell me who this crew is.
This is the crew. This is the ultimate canine crew. We got Bear right here. We got Rippy right here. A good girl and a good boy. Thanks, Greta.
Thank you, Marie.
Seriously.
Great idea.
Yeah, Greta.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Thanks, Hagen.
Ripping.
Rippin'.